Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head over the HP Smart Tank error code 0xC4EB9004, don't worry. We're going to tackle this step by step. This error is a common issue with HP printers, especially the Smart Tank series, and it usually pops up in 2025 models due to software glitches or connectivity problems. Let's dive in. First off, what does error code 0xC4EB9004 actually mean? In simple terms, it signals a communication breakdown between your printer and the computer or network. This could be related to outdated firmware, a faulty USB connection, or even low ink levels messing with the printer's operations. Understanding this is key because it helps us pinpoint the root cause quickly. Now, let's talk about the common causes. One big culprit is outdated drivers or software. HP releases updates regularly, and if yours is lagging, errors like this can occur. Another cause might be network issues, like a weak Wi-Fi signal or firewall blocks preventing the printer from connecting properly. Hardware problems, such as a jammed paper tray or faulty ink cartridges, can also trigger this code. And sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary glitch from recent updates or power surges. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by restarting your printer and computer. This basic troubleshooter works wonders and only takes a minute. Next, check your connections. Ensure the USB cable is secure or that your printer is on the same Wi-Fi network as your device. If that doesn't help, update your HP software through the HP Smart app or the official website. Download the latest drivers for your model and install them. You might also want to run a printer diagnostic tool if available. If the error persists, try resetting the printer to factory settings, but back up any custom settings first. Finally, if nothing works, contact HP support for more tailored advice. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be printing smoothly again. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.